Thank you so much for taking your precious time to view this course. Welcome to the React Advanced Compound Component Composition course. My name is Matthew Msingati, and I bring a unique blend of expertise as both a UX UI designer and a developer from South Africa. This course tackles an advanced topic that is often overlooked by 90% of the developers, and that is design pattern. We are going to create a simple but yet complex product card using industry standard, best practices, solid principle, and clean code. I am going to hold your hand and introduce you to the world of composing complex component the best way I know how. If I promise to teach you a clean code, scalable, and highly maintainable, I might as well start by demonstrating a code that is written by an amateur versus a code that is written by an experienced and a professional developer. In front of me, I've got two versions of the same accordion component. One is long, no separation of concerns, tightly coupled, and no best practices. Maybe this might be you. Why? Simply because the majority of the developers in the industry, they write code this way. Contrary to that, we have an enterprise code. Clean, well-crafted, well-architectured. It seems like to me the designer took care of his or her own work. It's short, concise, easy to maintain, and it adopts a loosely coupled architecture. In this course, I am going to help you level up and become a developer that the employers are looking for. Let's get started.